Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon, so you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification on your phone.
Hello everyone, this is Rizwan, you watching Sparkline. Today I am going to show you mini USB fan for power bank and smartphone. Hello guys, this is the mini USB fan. I have bought it in Amazon.in. This is a pack. I got it this. I have just cut the back. This both the fan I got in 180 rupees. This actual MRP is 97 rupees. Shipping charge 55 and tax 27 rupees. Guys, this is the mini fans. I bought it in black color. There is a two different color also, pink color and blue color, but I prefer to buy black color. I bought it this pack of two. Let's check this. Guys, this back side of package there is giving some details. Here's graphics and fan specification and warranty. You can connect with the power bank and your smartphone. This is a made in China product. I have opened this. Guys, this is a made fully rubber. Look at these fans. Quality wise is really nice. The USB type we have mini USB. And this we have two variants, Type C also and USB 2.0. Guys, this mini USB fan I'll connect with my power bank. I have my power bank. I'll just connect with. We'll see if it is working or not. Oh my god! I connect with my power bank, but it's not working. Look at this. It's inside this much only. It's going. I have connected with my Realme 2 smartphone, but still it's not working. It's really bad. Is this showing you can connect with the power bank and also smartphone? It should also connect, but it's not connecting. Why I don't know. And let me check. I have one more other mobile, Redmi Note 4. Let me see in that. Redmi 4. Let me see final for this. Oh, when I connect it with my Redmi phone, it's switched off. Guys, really I am not going to recommend this product to buy all this, because it's not connecting with this, all the device. I have tried in two smartphones and one power bank, but it's not being usable. I want to know any problem with this USB fan, so I'm connecting with my friend mobile. Wow, look at this. This is connected. It's using. Why I don't know. That some device is connecting. I have tried on other phone, Motorola. Let me see this. Wow, this is connected. Some devices supported, some devices not supported. Why I don't know. In this video that's all guys. If you like the video, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe my channel. We'll see you on next video.